Every autumn, Oktoberfest organizers trust Mastertent to provide the perfect furniture for their memorable events. Easy to store and transport, the Oktoberfest beer set can be mounted in very little time and with minimal effort thanks to its straightforward unfolding mechanism. It comes in a standard and comfort model and in 3 different sizes to help you optimize space. To increase comfort, safety, and stability, it can be fitted with a backrest or trabecular accessories. For maximum durability, we use carefully selected spruce wood, polished in textures and colors that suit all needs, and withstands the tests of time and weather. Mastertent's Oktoberfest beer set is manufactured in Europe at the highest quality standards, because when the best brewers of the world organize the biggest beer festival in the world, they always trust Mastertent.